10, get up, get dressed. Before work's off my list. What's left to do, just guess. It's you, my favorite, but I wanna taste you and feel you shake, raising an earthquake. Can't push the brakes when a rush hits. We're going in, we're going in. You keep me biting my cheek, year after year. Only gets better, I'm weak in the knees. Breathe the sheets, you on my lips, I'm feeling the heat. That's all I need. When the day's gone, we've only begun. That's the best part, when we get it on. I'm addicted, no denying it. Cause you don't cross my mind, you live in it. I wanna taste you, feel you shake, raising an earthquake. Push the brakes when it shakes. We're going in, we're going in. You keep me biting my cheek, year after year. Only gets better, I'm weak in the knees. Breathe the sheets, you on my lips, I'm feeling the heat. That's all I need.
I'm about to get 30. Your last one needs you 30. Now you get yourself a freaky little dude. In the mood 24/7, 16/11. So you're making it, but I'ma just stop. Stop for a moment. Do you really think that I'ma fuck you while I'm sober? I'm not. Taking Uber to your hotel, eating like a local, cause you're calling back while I shut down.
You keep me biting my cheek, year after year. Only gets better, I'm weak in the knees. Leave the sheets, you on my lips, I'm feeling the heat. That's all I need. That's all I need. Giving up, letting go. Times we might feel compelled. Looking down from the heights that we have built all by ourselves. And there is fear of the unknown, but we cannot lose control. When we feel like the world is against us, we're trying to find ourselves without the defining words. We can no longer hold on to what only makes us hurt.
यहाँ वो भी आ जाएगा, ये भी आ जाएगा, वो भी आ जाएगा,
एक ही फ्रेम में आ जाएगा सारा।
करे
वाइड एंगल पे सारा का सारा आ जाएगा।
तू रेडी हो जाना, फिर मैं जाता हूँ।
तू फ़ोन से ले, मैं 360 चालू कर देता हूँ, इनकेस कुछ मिस हुआ तो।
हाथ में पकड़ना पड़ेगा फिर।
बाइक थोड़ा पीछे
में पकड़ लेंगे।
हाँ यहाँ से नहीं, बाइक नहीं, हाथ में
बात कर रहा है ये ले।
अरे भाई बाइक पीछे कर ले बस थोड़ी। बस आ रही है। और जहाँ पे मैं हूँ ना वहाँ पे आ।
करते यार, पूछना, तूने बोला कि तू कर लेगा, मैंने कब बोला?
मनु बैठ जा, बैठ जा, बैठ जा, बैठ के कर।
अब ठीक है, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं ले।
जहाँ पे मैं हूँ ना यहाँ पे एकदम ऐसे
ठीक आ जाएगा।
वो देख
जाएगा
वही बेस्ट निकाल ले।
सही नहीं आ रहा है, मान नहीं पा रहा।
अभी से चालू कर लो, अभी काट लेंगे।
ठीक है,
1 मिनट बाद आऊँगा, ठीक है? बट अगर कुछ आ रहा है मेरे को इशारा कर देना, मैं स्लो हो जाऊँगा। कुछ आ रहा है ना तो इशारा कर देना, ऐसे ऐसे कुछ भी इशारा कर देना।
Now which way do we go is the question to ask. There are so many choices that it's hard not to look past. What is real and what is fake, and the risk we have to take. Will we know what is throwing up our balance? Try to find ourselves without defining words. We can no longer started as a whisper, message from a new world I'd never known.
घुमाना पड़ेगा ना, यहाँ कहाँ पे
Something
निकलना?
that it felt like my whole life. Is this all? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel angels around when I start to sing, and suddenly it feels like heaven's not so far away. Can you hear the I can't help but think that it's meant to be, that I'm finally right where I'm supposed to. If I let you into the secret, would you listen? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel angels around when I start to sing, and suddenly it feels like heaven's not so far away. Tell me, can you hear the symphony?
हाँ जी हाँ जी, निकली हुई है सर।
यहाँ पे बात कर दे।
हाँ हाँ, यहाँ पे लगा दो पीछे।
चेक बनाओ। अच्छा ओके।
यहाँ लगा लो।
एक काम
बैक करवाओ।